Today, I'll walk you through how to add a column in Mailchimp, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enhance your email layouts so you can create more visually appealing newsletters. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. This is your gateway to all the powerful features Mailchimp offers for email marketing. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, creating one is quick and easy. Now that you're logged in, let's dive into the email builder. Click on the Campaigns tab and then select the campaign you want to edit. Once inside the email builder, look for the Blocks option on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Click on Blocks and then choose Columns. This action opens up a variety of column layouts you can use in your email design. It's like choosing the perfect frame for your artwork. Next, you'll need to decide how many columns you want to add to your email. Mailchimp allows you to choose from various configurations, whether you need 2, 3, or even more columns. Simply click on the layout that best fits your content needs. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Mailchimp updates its interface regularly, but the core functionality remains the same. After selecting your desired column layout, you can start dragging and dropping your content into each column. This flexibility allows you to create a balanced and organized email that captures your audience's attention. As you customize each column, remember to preview your email to see how it will appear to your subscribers. This step is crucial to ensure that everything looks just right before hitting that send button. In summary, adding columns in Mailchimp is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your email campaigns. By following these steps, you can create a more engaging layout that keeps your readers interested. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.